Now we'll go for the live demo section where I have a small problem statement, I'll say, where we need to automate something, and for that we will be using two of them. First is Selenium, and the other one is Beautiful Soup. You guys might have heard about it. It is also like used on the last year for data scraping and all those purposes. Beautiful Soup and how it works for static website. So this request library, what it does is it sends requests. You can send different types of requests. You guys must know about CRUD commands, right? Get request, post request, delete, and all those. So this one sends a request to whatever URL we want, and we have this Beautiful Soup library. So what it does is, whenever the HTML, we have the things mentioned on the web page in HTML or XML type, right? So it has all the data. So what it will do is it will get all the data for us, and it will just pass it. So passing is like going through entire web page, and then we have some different locators. As I mentioned, we had Selenium locators mentioned in the slide before, if you'll remember. So even in this case, we use the locators and we identify what is the data we want, because on the web page there is lots of data and we just want only a section which matters for us, right? Okay, so in this we can see, like, this is the method how soup is like, soup will get us all the data which is coming for that web page. Okay, after HTML passing, then title is whatever is mentioned in the title section. So if I inspect here, and okay, this cursor, if you hover, you can see this thing, or there will be a title page. I think it should be in the headers. And see, in this title we can see codes to scrape. And what does dot text does? Dot text just removes all the, like, patterns or some things which are not readable, and it prints only the text. Okay, so that was just about the title. Then the next section comes about actual codes, right? So you want to have the codes. Let's see where these codes lie. So these are the codes. And if I hover here, I think you guys might not be able to see it. Let me see if I can increase the font here. Is it any better now? I think 150% should do. Okay. Yeah,
Yeah,
this is,
now it's better.
yes. So this is how you inspect something. There is this icon. You can just bring it here and you hover. So these are the codes mentioned here. See, you can see these are the codes. This is the second code. And if you can see, it is in this container span. Okay. And class is, what is the class? It is text type. It is actually the ID. You can give it anything. So you have identified one thing, that all the codes lie in this span container, and class is the one. Sorry, text is the one which is the class. So that's how you mention it in the script. Like, the container is span, and I'm looking for a class which has the value text. Okay, and then find all is like, look for all the patterns in that entire soup. Soup here is the entire web page, and print all of them. Okay, let's see, is it able to print it? I'll just run this code once. Static bs4 and mhm, okay. Okay, so see, it has printed the codes here. I guess there's some glitch in the terminal, but let me just scroll it up. See, you all can see, this was the title which I showed in the beginning, and we had the count mentioned there. So if you scroll here, length gives us the count, of course. That's the Python method, and we can see the actual things are printed now, the world as we created, and the same things are there in this page as well. So this website was static. Okay, after hitting the URL, you were directly getting the data. But what if the web page is dynamic? Like, now we will be doing this exact same thing. Okay, but instead of using the static website, as I mentioned, the JS one has the dynamic thing. So entire thing is same. Okay, and we have JavaScript, which is the dynamic website now. Let's see what happens. Is it able to scrape? Because if you see visually on the JS page, it feels like it's the same website, right? See, it exactly looks same, but it is not. Okay, and why it is not? Let's see. Are we able to scrape the data? I'll try to run the script. Okay, it is exact same. Just the website it changed. Selenium, not Selenium. Okay. And in this case, we won't be able to get any codes. It was able to get the title because it is the title of the web page. Of course, if you hit the endpoint, you're going to get the title, because but the codes you won't get it because the codes are loaded after some time, right? So we were not able to get it.